Today we are talking about the iPhone 17e, Apple's upcoming affordable model in the iPhone 17 lineup. Now this is not the Pro or Pro Max, but it's shaping up to be a really interesting option for people who want the Apple experience without paying top dollar. So, what do we know so far? The iPhone 17e is expected to feature a slightly smaller design compared to the Pro models. With a 6.1-inch OLED display, Apple is likely keeping it in a line with the standard iPhone 17, but the E branding suggests it will focus on value and accessibility. Kind of like the modern version of what the iPhone SE used to be. Performance wise, rumors point to be Apple using the A19 chip, so would be powerful for everyday use, gaming, and multitasking. This would make it a solid long-term device, especially since Apple tends to support iPhones with updates for 5 to 6 years. Now, camera lovers will be happy to hear that Apple is expecting to bring improvements here too. We are likely looking at a dual camera setup with better low light performance and upgraded computational photography, similar to what we have seen on the iPhone 50 and 16 series. Battery life is another area Apple is working on, with reports hinting at more efficient battery tech and slightly faster charging speeds. And yes, Apple is expected to continue with USB-C across all models, including the 17e. The big question, of course, is the pricing. If Apple positions the iPhone 17e around the $600 to $700 range, it could be a real game changer, especially for people who want a modern iPhone but don't need all the bells. So, what do you think? Would you go for the iPhone 17e as a budget-friendly option, or do you think it needs some more flagship features to stand out? Let me know in the comments below.